Well, you can earn money online by playing games on free cash to make $500 daily. Yes, this is the topic of today's video. So welcome to Money Farm. I'm going to show you how you can use free cash and you can use it to earn $500 or more or less. The less work you do, the less money you will earn, and you can earn up to $5,000 and people are making on it. And I'm going to show you a little bit. The site that I'm going to show you is called freecash.com. Yes, this is freecash.com. This is the site, is get paid to site, get paid to service site. This is various type of earning opportunity present in these websites. You can earn from service, you can earn from some simple tasks, you can earn from testing website, you can earn from like playing games and watching videos and many more things you can do here. Apps download, games download, playing games and completing some easy requirement and tasks to make a good amount of money. People are making money daily. So I'm showing you that you can earn from this website. The name suggests free cash. You can earn from free, no investment required from your site, only your time is required. You just have spare times, you just go there and just spend some time daily and you will earn a good amount of money per month. So without wasting any more time, just go over to the sign up process. You simply sign up, hit the sign up button. It will show the simple sign up page and just input your email, username, password and confirm password and you are good to go to earn money online. But when you just sign up, you can see the link in the first comment below. If you want to join it, you can just click it and you will see the simple page like this, and you just simply fill up this form and you will get like a sign up bonus. When you just sign up, you will get something like 5 cents to $250 of sign up bonus without any investment. So this is really easy. So if you're lucky, you will get $250 right away by just signing up by this website by using my link. So simply after you sign up, when you logged in, you will see something like this. This is the dashboard and this is the sign up bonus. You just, when you sign up, after signing up, you will see this sign up bonus page. You simply have to like it's like a spinning wheel, and just you are lucky, you will get $250. If and at least you will get 5 cents. So this is it, guys. When you are okay, when you're ready, then this is the dashboard of it. You will see I have just registered here and you can see that this is a brand new account to show you how to work with this website. So this is it, guys. You just simply go over to these websites and you can see that on the home page you will see featured offers, and all these offers are having a value, and this is the value you can earn just by completing this offer. It's all like some game installs and you will just have to play sometimes or do some level ups, and that's it. You will get like $5 for this game and just $1 for this, $1.73 for this game, 1.17, 2.37, and you will get more and more offer. When you are regularly active, they will provide you more lucrative offer for you to make money online. So this is it, guys. Also, these sites provide survey opportunities for you. So if you just go over to scroll down to the offer worlds, you can see that TimeWall, AdGem, AdGate Media, Ad Studios, and Offer Toro, Review, Notably, and all are present here just for waiting for you to go there and earn money online. And these are offer not that difficult to work with. So this supports all over the world, any country, from any country you are, you can work easily in this website and you can earn a handsome amount of money. If you just scroll down more, and you can see that there are also survey opportunities for use, and CPX Research, BitLab, Pollfish, and Tap Research all are present here for you to get surveys offers. And they also support various type of countries, but not all countries will be accepted for for service because they're paid much and they accept less. So this is it, guys. No, all countries are supported this service, but sometimes you will get some survey offers for your country as well. But if you are living in Taiwan country like USA, Canada, Australia, and you will get every survey offers approved for you. So when you are in these sites, I'm just clicking on these earn sections. This is the earn button and it will load this earn page we are at right now. So when you just simply click on, like I just click on this game, you can see that this is the requirement. You can see that these are the all three requirements: play MyGym Fitness Studio Manager, and the number 2, complete level 23 within 21 days of downloading. So this is it, guys, and redeem your points, new users only. So simply, if you haven't used MyGym Fitness apps before, you are simply eligible to work with this offer. So simply download it, and within 21 days of downloading and installing the app, you have to complete the level 23, and then you will just get $1.73 in your account right away. So this is it, guys. This site is a really good site, and this site, if I just go over to Trustpilot, you can see that freecash.com has a 4.6 rating, and this is really awesome. Yes, because Trustpilot cannot tell a lie. So this is a verified company. You can see that this is a verified company, and this is a verified business, verified websites. So if you just get into this website, you can just watch and learn, and these sites surely pays and they will not scam you. So simply just go over to this website and simply work daily, complete offer rolls, complete surveys, and you will get rewards in daily manner. So if you just click on this $500 daily leaderboard, and you can see that you can be eligible for daily. They are giving $500 to the top 10 places. So their prize money is really awesome. So that is why I said $500 daily is really possible. And even they have a $5,000 monthly competitions leaderboard. So if you work daily and people are earning money, this is not a lie, this is not just show off. These peoples are real peoples that are earning money from this website. So why not you? Simply just go on, click on the earn tab and sign up, and just do this task daily. Log into these websites and complete your task and complete your offer rolls. You just click on it, it will load, and you will complete those offers. You will get coins, and you can just turn those coins into cash. So when you click on, when you have some definitely some amount of coins in your balance, if you just click on this cash out sections, you can see that you can just cash out and use your earned coins on Freecash to withdraw PayPal, Bitcoin, Visa, Amazon, and much more. Crypto withdrawal starts from like 50 cents, and normal fiat currencies you can just ask for withdraw for like 25 cents. So this is it. Even if you have just like 25 cents, you can earn, you can ask for withdraw. So this is it, guys. This supports PayPal, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, all the cryptocurrencies. Also you can get paid from Amazon, Visa, and gift cards like this. And also you can withdraw skins and like CSGO, Fortnite, and you can see all these online games as well. So this site is really rocks. This site really pays, and this site is really a legit website to work with, and you will definitely earn a good amount of money daily. So if you like this video, just hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.